sailing from Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia, up to this small little island that's supposed to be a diving island not too far up. So we've got a nice following winds, about, 10, 12 knots of wind behind us. We're doing 6.5 knots, spinnakers up, almost a dead run downwind. It's very optimal sailing right now aboard Field Trip. So we're looking forward to checking out this new spot, and eventually we'll be hooking up with the rally formally in Kudat for the big passage around north of Sabah. So that's the plan, and it's so far very, very nice today.
And how's the fishing?
Fishing's rather horrible. We caught some seaweed. We caught a little toy cow and rubbish. So the fishing's terrible because we got too much junk in the water. Mostly seaweed, but there's definitely rubbish as well. So it is what it is. But we're having a good sail, so that makes up for it, I guess.
We end up bypassing the original anchorage and go directly into Kudat. Kudat is a small town on the northwest corner of Borneo. This is where we will join in the celebrations of the Kudat Festival over the next 5 days. Upon arriving to Kudat, we have the luxury of med-mooring to a rock wall outside the main town. We don't have video of us mooring, but we do have some of our friends as they arrive on their catamaran. It was a close call as the wind pushed them to starboard, but it all ended up just fine, and it makes for some exciting footage.
Kaleidoscope. But the way I feel is the way I ride. I will be the greatest man of your life.
All right, so this is at the big esplanade here in Kudat, Malaysia, the northwestern tip of Borneo. And we are getting prepared for the big festivities. This is the Kudat Festival. And just behind me, we have the dragon boats. So we have signed up, Elizabeth and I have, to be crew on one of these dragon boats. It's a big formal traditional race that happens every year. And it's 20 people per boat. And we have practice this afternoon at 2 o'clock, so we are here at the formal kickoff. We got lots of commotion, lots of people here. It's a big deal in Malaysia. Getting ready to try to find a place to fly the drone to get some shots of these races. The trick is, not quite sure what the regulations are here for flying a drone, so I'm trying to find a place very much off the beaten path to get this thing up in the air. So I'm in search of a spot that's kind of far away from the military and the police, but I do want to be able to get this drone up and get some shots of these guys racing. So we are here with the fire department of Kudat, Bomba. And Bomba just finished number 1 in the race. We just saw that number 5. They came across number 1.
Okay.
Yes, and say hello to everybody.
Okay. Hello!
Bomba! Hey! All right. Okay, number 1.
Number 1, Bomba!
Bomba! Number 1!
Number 1, lucky number!
Yeah. All right. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you. So tomorrow, I race.
What?
Yeah. That just goes to show that it pays to ask these guys permission. I asked permission to fly the drone, and it turned out that they were super great guys at the fire department here in Kudat. And it just so happens as well that their boat in the race, number 5, ended up winning. So they were very happy not only to see their boat on the drone as I filmed it, but also just to say hello, and they were great. So I told them that tomorrow I will be in the race myself, and the one guy said, good luck with that, which I'm sure we'll need it. There's no way we're going to do that well, but it's a lot of fun, and I'm glad we got to meet some new people with the fire department.
Okay, so these are the dragon boats behind me, and we have all of our team here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down to the other end of the bay to start the race, and then we're going to race all the way back down, and whoever wins, wins.
And what do you do on the dragon boat?
I'm a rower.
And what's Michael do?
Michael's the drummer that keeps the beat.
Keeps the beat. Are we going to win?
Probably not. There's all these other people with uniforms. It looks like we have a uniform on, but we don't. Some of these people haven't done it yet, and so we're gonna have to do another train.
Yeah.
But after that, then it'll be the real race. So we're gonna train first,
and then go.
Yeah.
All right, well, hopefully we'll win, right? Okay.
We are a motley bunch as we clamber over the dragon boats. Most of the team are seasoned sailors, but I'm not sure anyone watching could tell as we wobbly made our way.
Maybe, I don't know where she's supposed to go. Right?
This is the real deal. We've trained for an entire 30 minutes and feel confident that this year will be the year of the sailor. Just in case, we decide we need to test our skills on a lateral move to intimidate the fire department on our starboard side. We'll soon see if our intimidation works. Yeah! We held our own and finished the race, just behind the 4th boat, out of 5 boats. It was a close race. Well, it looks closer in this video than it actually was, but we all still had fun.
So we, as a family, just finished this. What did we finish, Sarah? Tell us.
Dragon boat race. We did dragon boat race. First time and probably last time we'll ever get the chance to do it. And
Yeah.
we were on the Sail Malaysia Rally team. And how did we do, Elizabeth?
We came in last, but we were like, our bow was like in line with their tail, so we're close.
So we gave it a good.
We were close last.
We were close last. We weren't too far behind.
Yeah.
And what was your job, Michael?
The drummer.
He was the drummer.
So I had to drum to the rhythm of the paddles.
Okay. And what was your job, Sarah?
I was the one that was looking like she was paddling, but really not paddling because my shoulder was hurting. So I was the shallow paddler that was splashing the person behind me the whole time. Elizabeth was the deep paddler. She did awesome. She busted. What'd you
Show
do?
us your hands.
My blister popped.
Oh.
Ouch. How many blisters do you have? One. Do you wear gloves? Okay.
But that blister's from when I didn't wear gloves.
Okay.
And what
Well,
was your job?
my job was just to listen to our buddy Mike the Mike commentary behind me. Now, he was a good guy about how to make the boat go faster and listen to his comedy. So, no, it was a good time.
And you were the cameraman.
I was a
trying to fix the camera.
cameraman trying to keep things going with camera. So, couldn't get a drone shot of our boat, but we did get some drone shots of other boats. So, we'll get that put together. And
And it was just fun. We had a
great
good time. We didn't win. We weren't even close, but we had a good time.
It was a really good time.
We were kind of close.
We were close to last.
Closer than we thought we'd be.
We were closer
for sure.
we were close to second to last.
Hey, we're just lucky we got 20 people together.
That's right. So it was great. All right, so
All right.
Team Field Trip is out. We're going to continue to explore the Kudat Festival here in Borneo. So let's go, guys. Let's go find some food.
Yes, food.
As we search the festival for food, we get to sample some local specialties. We find everyone very excited when we start to film their products. All of these people are local entrepreneurs who are selling their own things.
Okay, so this is what?
This is sambalador.
Sambalador.
This flavor is sambal red shrimp.
Okay, shrimp. Okay, so shrimp. Sambalador, okay?
Yes, this one is
Which one is spicier? Which one has more spice? More Kudat?
this one is more spicy.
What spicy? Okay, this is fish. Okay, fish.
Ikan
Ikan?
Kurau fish is gonna be right fish.
Okay.
Crayfish. Which one do you like better? Try both.
Shrimp.
I like
Shrimp. Yeah, it's good.
Brazil have, Malaysia have.
It's
Very good. It's like sour.
Pure honey.
My own farm. On your own farm? Yeah. Yeah, Borneo.
Yeah.
Borneo beef.
Borneo beef.
Okay, try. Free to try.
Okay.
Try.
Good.
Let's
Stainless
try.
beef. Right. Ah.
Let's
That's
try. With my name. My name is Nick.
Okay.
You
Hey,
can
Nick.
try. Visit to our farm.
Okay.
Free.
Free. Okay.
Okay. Then shop or you can try the pure honey from my hot box.
Okay. Very good. And,
Yeah.
and is this kind of like traditional from your
A
village?
traditional.
Traditional Sabah?
Sabah.
Sabah.
You can take photo.
Yeah.
Take photo.
Yeah.
Okay, already?
And this is also from Sabah?
Yeah, Sabah.
Okay. All right.
Our
Sabah.
traditional.
Traditional.
Yeah.
My good friend, my beekeeper, good
Yeah.
honey, bagus.
Honey, bagus ba?
you very
Bagus ba? See, this Trigona, my logo name Nikma. This Trigona honey stainless bee from Sabah, Borneo.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Terima kasih.
thank you,
Yeah.
terima kasih.
All right.
While we are still on our hunt for food, the politicians of the Sabah region arrive at the festival. Some of the locals are dressed in traditional clothes and form a welcoming line along the center aisle. After the dignitaries settle into their VIP seats, the locals start the show with traditional song and dance.
Ya, berikan tepukan yang gemuruh kepada
After a long, hard day, everyone's cheery, happy, and excited
Tired,
to be going back to the boat.
tired, hot.
Hot,
Yes.
33, 34 degrees, a little steamy out. Michael, you're not tired, are you? You said your legs were tired, but your brain wasn't?
Yeah, my legs are killing me.
Your legs are killing you? Yeah, we've
Okay, let's go this way.
been cruising around a lot, no doubt about that. But it's been a pretty fun day today with the dragon boat races and lots of new people, food, all that fun stuff. And we're up. Hey! What's up? How are you? Apa kabar? Baik? All right. Thumbs up. Say hello to YouTube. Yeah.
Very good.
Very good. All right. See you guys. Bye.
The festivities soon draw to a close, and we hang up our rowing oars. Our next stop in Kudat takes us to a homestay deep in the bush and a dance party on the beach.